So it's absolute carnage in this room right now. I might show you in a minute. But went to IKEA last night, got some good bits, great bits for the room. So I thought I'd do a bit of a little IKEA haul and show you what I got. So I actually think this is going to be the best way to do it. Sitting on the bed with the bag, and I've got some other bits as well, like in flat pack, which I obviously won't show you until I've built. But that is the craft trolley, which I'm going to put a picture of it here. And also, we call it hobby horse, but it's not hobby horse. I don't even know what hobby horse is, but that's what Matt calls it. But it's one of the legs for the desk, because one leg is going to be the Alex unit, which I already have, which is just over here. And then the other leg is going to be this like A-frame thing, which I will put a picture of it here so you can see that as well. So I've got the big blue bag next to me here, which you can see. There are some household bits in here as well. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm just going to show you everything because, you know, you might find it interesting. So I got the innards of a cushion because I have, behind me, I have this one. And then I have an empty case. So that is going to go in there. And that is going to go on the bed. I got bedding for in here. I was going to go all white, and then I'm going for like burnt oranges and earthy tones are going to be like the theme in here, kind of like soft greens, burnt oranges, beiges, that kind of thing. So I was going to go white for the bedding, but actually I saw this colour. It's like a slightly beigey, off-white. So I have gone for this colour, so I'm actually going to put this on today if I've got time, so I'll show you what it looks like once it's on, because this is the day bed. So although it's a single bed, when it's kind of put away, it pulls out to be a double bed. So I've got a double duvet on there and then 2 single mattresses, so I'm going to put that on there. So I got pillows and what's this one? The oh no, I've just single sheet. I thought I'd got single. It's a single sheet. Hope that's fitted. Yeah, it is. Single fitted sheet, and then I've got another one of those, and then the duvet cover is in here somewhere, so I'll get that out in a minute. And that wasn't too pricey. I think it was £20 for the duvet cover. I think they were like 6 or 7 off the top of my head. So I've got those. I've got this, which I'm really excited about, which is a cheese grater, but you basically put the cheese like in it and then you spin it, and I'm like, that is going to be a game changer. So that is for the house. That is not for my craft room. If you are an IKEA connoisseur, no, that's not the right word. I never get words right. You will learn this about me. My sister always laughs because I always get the words wrong. But if you frequent IKEA a lot, then you might know that their Ziploc bags are great. So I've got loads in here because my whole family put in an order for Ziploc bags. So I've bought like everyone 2 lots in different sizes, but they're really, really good. So, and we try to reuse them as much as we can. So it's good for the environment and all that. But yeah, lots of these in this bag, which I'm going to just put over here. Chopping board, again, not for the craft room. Hanger, not for the craft room. Knife sharpener, Matt's wanted one for ages. Again, not for the craft room. Another cheese grater, pizza slicer. Lots of random things. Here is the duvet. I've just realised I bought pillowcases and I didn't need to because there's 2 in here. So this is the duvet cover for in here. So yeah, I didn't need to buy cushion covers, pillowcases. Lots of candles. So I went quite hard on candles. So this one is like a peach, I think. Peachy colour, peachy smell even, and peachy colour. This is like berries and it's really, really delicious. Really delicious smell. So good. I really liked that I bought the tea lights as well. And something that I want for like downstairs in the house and maybe in here as well is just to be able to use the tea lights. And I had nothing to really put them in. So I got these were 50p. So they're just tiny little glass tea light holders, 50p for those. And I think these ones were £1. So I'll probably use, I might even need to get some more because I'm probably going to want to use them in here as well. So lots of candles. I got that peach one in a bigger size as well. And then some, oh, there's another peach one. Some plant pots, because this is going to be the plant room. So plant pot there. This one, which I absolutely love, has got like a little speckled effect and then like a scalloped edge, which is just really cool. So I can't wait to see this room finished with all of these bits in it. And then this is the bigger one of that, which hasn't got the scalloped edge, which is a bit bizarre because I feel like they should be matching and they're kind of similar but not. So put that there. And then what else is in here? So this is for our bed. We actually got ourselves this linen duvet set, which was £90, quite a lot, I must add. But we decided to treat ourselves. So this was £90. It is so soft. I think I got sucked in by the texture, like the feel of it. And I actually thought it was cheaper than it was because we've got a king. So obviously the single price, the double price, the king price are all different. So I think I thought it was like 60 and then it was like, oh no, you need to get the king, which is 90. So yeah, that I'm going to go and put on my bed in a minute. And then I've just realised that I bought a plant, but I've left it downstairs. So I'm going to go and get it without everything falling off the bed. Okay, look at this bad boy. I think it's an elephant something, or elephant leaf plant. Amazonica is on the label, but yeah, so this is going to live in here. And then something else that I just realised that I've missed, because we wore them last night, was me and Matt got matching waffle dressing gowns, because, you know, why not? I don't think we have anything matching. We've been together 16 years, so this is our first item. And they are wonderful. So yeah, so that I think is everything. And then, like I said, I've got in the boot of the car the craft trolley and the leg for the desk. I have finished. Let me show you the room because it is absolute carnage. So as I said, it is absolute carnage in here. Doggo's whining downstairs because Matt's just gone out the front door. So yeah, I gotta sort this out really. This is now empty apart from the printer in the end there. I'm gonna just kind of make a start on maybe just getting this in a bit of a better place. Yeah, I'm gonna spend maybe a bit of time now. I've got a friend coming over in a bit, so I'm going to just spend a bit of time getting this room into a bit of a better place, I think. And then, yeah, I might build my craft trolley as well and put some stuff on that. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, still a mess, but I have made the bed. And as you can see, I need to sort the cushions out because they look a bit shit. I had these cushions obviously they don't really go anymore, so I need to get a different cover for those. I've got 2 of those. So I'm really chuffed with how the actual covers come out. I really like the colour, but definitely need to sort out the pillows and make it a bit more Pinteresty. Let's be real.